Hello, welcome to UAPath session lesson number 1. So in this lesson I'm going to start from the basic, very basic. So this will be the lesson number 1. So in this lesson number 1, I'm to I'm going to start with a very basic from the message box, very basic. So this will be the lesson number 1. So here I'm going to start with a message box. So I'll just start this. So once you click on the UiPath Studio, UiPath Studio will start opening. So once it is open, it will show this window. So you need to close this and you need to close this as well. After that, there will be a section here. Just click the process. So here in this, I'm going to teach you about the message box. Message box and dialog dialog box. So just click on the create button here. Once you click on the create button, it will open the sequence. So here right side you will get before you automate let you show you around. Here they are going to show you the demo. If you want to navigate, you can start here. So I don't want, so I just click on the close close button, and when you click yes, it will close that. So once you come to this screen, just I am hiding this section, down section. So once you come into the screen, you will get a sequence. This is the main sequence. When you click here, right side, when you click here properties, you'll get the name here. So here you have to see here, whatever the name you are getting here, this name will display here. So in this, I want to send message message box demo. Whatever the name if you give there, just click here, that will reflect here. So this is my first lesson. So I'm going to start with a very basic from the lesson 1. So here there are two ways you can put the message box. Click on this plus button and at the top you will get the window here. Just type message box. So once you'll get this here at the top, and you need to double click. Once you double click, you will get a message box. This message box is equal to your pop-up box where you'll get a message. So in the quotes, you need to put double quotes. Lesson, I'm just writing here, lesson number 1, lesson number 1 and message box. Once you done this, click here, this side. That's it you need to do. Then the left side you have a tabs here. Just click on the save button and click on this drop down, run file. Once you click on this, you'll get the program will start executing, and it will display the message box. So it has displayed the message box. So this is the message box. What I in the message box I given the text as lesson 1 message box. So until you click on the OK, it won't go. So I'm just clicking this. So then the execution will stop. So this is the first thing which I want to show you. Next, I want to demo you the input box, a dialog box where you can enter the value. So here I click here and input dialog. Double click this, you'll get a window like this. This is a pop-up, and this when you click here, if you click here, if you don't get immediately, you can click here the properties. This is the properties. What are all the properties of this box? When you click this and go to properties here, it will show what is the name it is displaying at the top. You can change the value here. So this is input dialog box demo. So you once you give the name, just click here. Here is this part. So the name will reflect here. So this is the dialog box, input dialog box. Input means you can give enter some value, it will take the value. So now what is the title you want to display on the dialog box? So I want input dialog box. I'm just typing the input dialog box on the title of the dialog box which we'll get, and you want to give some label. Please enter your name. So it will display this message and you want. So now I want to give some value, and that I want to store in variable. So click this here at the bottom, value enter, control K. So you can declare some variable, string name. So you given the name here. So this is like a variable. Whatever the value you enter here, that will be stored here. So now see, if you see here, this variable is here. This is a string. As I am going to enter the name, I'm just giving the it is I'm giving the string here. You can give anything. There are different data types: boolean, int, string, object, array, lot of things are there. Next, the scope. The scope is nothing but what is the scope of this input dialog box. For example, if you see here, this sequence, under this sequence there is a message box and there is a input dialog box, and this this whole sequence this sequence contain two things: message box, input dialog box. So till this it will be there. So whatever the variable I given here, str name, that I want to display. So just click plus here, message. Again I'm using the message box. So now what I'm doing, I'll give the variable name what I given. So whatever the variable I given here, this I am giving here. Whatever the value I enter here, it will display here. So now save it and execute. So to execute here, you need to click here. Just click on run file. Now first the message box display, that is what we have added. So this message box, we have given some string lesson 1 message box. Then I click on OK. Then whatever the dialog box which I have used, so I given the title as input dialog box and I given the label as please enter your name. So I'm just entering Imtiaz here. After that, when I click OK, that Imtiaz will be display on the message box because I have given that variable inside the message box. So it will display here. Just please OK. Then this is done. This is the first lesson I just want to start with because I was searching for the step-by-step UiPath Studio videos, but I did not find anything. So I just thought of um, launching my channel with UiPath. Hope you understand. If you like this, just give the thumbs up to my channel as well as you share this video to your friends. And I'm going to, this is the lesson number 1, step by step. I'm going to teach. The next lesson will be the I'm going to show the right box, right line. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you very much.